Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install PyCharm, which is a Python IDE on your Ubuntu operating system. So let's get started. First of all, we are going to download PyCharm zip file, and then we are going to install PyCharm, and we will see how to create our first Python project and Python program in PyCharm. So just open your browser and search for jetbrains.com. This is the company behind this IDE PyCharm, and in here you will be able to see this PyCharm IDE. So just click this PyCharm here in the result, search result, and you will be able to redirect it to the JetBrains website /PyCharm. Okay. So from here you can get this IDE. You just need to click get PyCharm now, and make sure this Linux tab is selected here, and when you go down you will be able to see two versions. One is professional version, which is valid for 30-day free trial, and one is community edition, which is free to use. We just want to see how we can install, and we just want to use this PyCharm for learning purposes, not for commercial purposes. So this community edition will be fine for us, which is also free and open source. So just click this and download this PyCharm zip file. So this is a PyCharm community -4.0.5 tar for a GZ file. So just click OK and it will be downloaded. I have already downloaded this PyCharm file. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my downloads folder. Here I can see this PyCharm zip file. I can right click and I can extract this file here or folder here, and it's going to extract. Now I'm using Ubuntu 14.4, and in Ubuntu 14.4 Python is already installed. So in order to check, I can just give this command python 3 -- version, and it's going to give me Python 3.4.0, and it's even having older version of Python, which is Python 2.7, I think. So just give Python -- version, and I can see this 2.7.6, right? So I don't need to install Python if I have 14.4. But in order to install PyCharm, you need to have Oracle Java installed in your system. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clear this terminal, and I need 3 commands. You can see these commands I need in order to install Oracle Java in my system. I'm going to just give these commands in the description so that you can just directly copy them and paste them in your terminal. So first command is this repository, for this repository. So I'm going to just copy and paste this and click enter and give my password. And the second command is update command, so apt get update. And the third command is installation of Oracle Java. So just copy this command, and I'm going to give this command and hit enter and click OK. And do you accept Oracle binary code license? Click yes. Now Java installation is complete in Ubuntu, so I can clear this terminal. Now I have already extracted this PyCharm folder in downloads folder. So what I'm going to do is, using terminal, I'm going to browse to that folder for PyCharm. So cd downloads and my PyCharm folder, and inside this PyCharm folder what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my bin folder. So in here there is a folder called bin, and I want to go inside this folder. because inside this folder there is a file called pycharm.sh, and this executable file or this shell script I want to run. Okay, so I'm going to go to bin in PyCharm, and let's list all the items here, and I can see pycharm.sh is here, so I can run this by ./pycharm.sh and press enter, and it's going to run this shell script, and PyCharm is starting. And for the first time when you install or run this shell script, it's going to ask you for your key map scheme IDE theme, which is GTK plus is default for it, and editor color and font by its default, but you can choose Darkula, which is dark editor, or other, Twilight or some other fancy editor color and fonts, but I'm going to leave it as default, and I will click OK. And now I can create my project, but first of all I need to give my password and click enter. Now I'm ready to create a new project, so I can click new project, and in here I can give a name to my project. So go at the last, and instead of untitled you can give the name to your project, for example my project or proj, and in here you can choose the version of Python you want to use. So in here you can choose the version of Python you want to use. So by default it will be Python 2.7 for example, and you can choose if you want to use Python 3.4 by just clicking this button. Okay, and now I'm going to create my project, and it's going to create me a new project. And in here inside my project, what I can do is I can add a new Python file. So right click this project and create new Python file, and give the name to your file, for example my file.py. Okay, and click OK, and it's going to create a new Python file for you, and this you can delete, and here you can test your Python script. So I'm going to write print, and because I have chosen Python 3.4 I need to use brackets, and I will just give hello world. Okay, and now you can run your script by just right clicking and just click this run my file.python. So just click this, and it's going to run my program. And now you can see the program is running, and in this terminal I can see the output. Okay, and after running it for the first time you will be able to see this green button, and you can run your program once again by clicking this green button. So for example I want to edit this hello world message, for example hello world YouTube, and then I can click this green button and it's going to print hello world YouTube here. So in this way you can install PyCharm on your Ubuntu operating system. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for